Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is my color is with Sue. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited with this collab. So Sue invited some of us girls to collab with her with this my color is. So you pick a color that you want to use and do a monochromaic eye look, which I really do love monochromaic eye looks. I think they're so much fun to do. You can also see what color you can play with, like with different shades of one color. And I love doing that. And as you see, my color is purple. I love purple. Purple is actually my favorite color. I do not get to play with it a lot. I have to be in a special mood for purple. Purple is just like I would do so many eye looks with purple, and it would be like enough with the purple. I have to slow down myself down so I can play with the other colors that I have. But I think purple is going to be my go-to for this season. What do you guys think? What do you think? I should. But yeah, but there will be a playlist for you to check out the ladies and see what eye looks and colors that they chose in this for this collab. And thank you, Sue, for inviting me. It is so much fun collabing with you. It's amazing, and yes. So you get to see how I create this look. I already put my eyeshadow base on. I already put my eyeshadow base on. I used the Beauty Creations Neutral Eye Base Primer and Porcelain. I really love this stuff. This eye. Let me tell you one thing. I highly recommend getting this because I already have one in my because it's almost gone and I really do like this. So yeah, I'm very excited. Okay, since I am doing purple, since color is my color is purple, I decided to take out the Juvia's Place um the violets from them, and I really like this as a quick and easy makeup look. It's easy to do, easy to recreate, and have have a little fun with it because I love purple. Purple is actually one of my favorite colors to ever work with, and I just love it. I need to play with it even more. I think for me, purples are going to be my um color for this season because why not? You know, why not? So, all right, like I said, we're gonna go very differently how that I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, but it's easy to achieve, like I said. So I'm gonna use this shade first, just to put it on the lid. I'm gonna blend it as I go. I'm just gonna keep on adding color to it, and then we're just gonna take your time because purple is one of those shades that can be very difficult to work with, depending on the brand, of course. But I find this shade of color, this shade from Juvia's Place is really nice. I do like the pigmentation of these, so we're gonna use this shade just to blend it out. Like I said, whatever fits your bowl. I'm just gonna blend the harsh edges where my crease is at, and then I'm just gonna build it up. And then I'm gonna use, if I can find it again, I'm gonna use the Glimmer Grass from Unearthly Cosmetics. I think this is really great product. Um, I really do like it. So any glitter glue would work. NYX is also on a good one if you don't want to spend that much money. For the shimmer, I'm going to use this burnt color right here. I really Like I said, I love purple. It's one of my, it is my favorite color. And I'm gonna add more to that darker shade of purple because I feel like this needs a little bit more deeper. And also have it nice, have a nice blend to it too. Now, of course, I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Colourpop Love Lengthening Mascara. Okay, I think that's about it. What I'm gonna do for the eyes because, truthfully, I don't want to do too much when it comes with purple. Purple can be very can be one of those colors that you really don't want to do a lot with. Like you can do like I don't know, not gonna be even, but that's okay. So, but yeah, I am going to finish up my makeup look and be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look. Really love it. Of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. I will have the playlist for you guys to check out the other ladies to see what their color is. But yeah, thank you again, Sue, for inviting me in this club. It is so much fun. And I love playing with purple. Purple is my favorite color, of course. But yes, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.